Hey everyone, welcome back. You have probably heard about AI agents everywhere lately. AutoGPT, LangGraph, agentic workflows, everyone is talking about it. But most tutorials send you straight to OpenAI's API where you are paying per token. And the moment your free trials runs out, everything stops. Today is different. We are going to build a real working AI agent from scratch, running entirely on your machine using Google Colab's free T4 GPU, the Qwen 2.5 model via Ollama, LangChain, and LangGraph at completely zero cost with no API key and no monthly bill. By the end, you will have a working agent that can reason, use tools, look through the problems, and give you proper answers, all running locally. Let's get started. Before we open the notebook, let me explain what an agent actually is. Because this concept is the foundation of everything we build today. A regular LLM is what most people use. You ask it a question, it gives you an answer. That is it. One turn, no planning, no actions, no ability to correct itself. An AI agent is fundamentally different. An agent can look at a problem and reason about what to do first. Decide to use a tool like running a calculation or searching the web. Observe what the tool returned, think again based on the result, keep going until the problem is fully solved. This cycle, reason, act, observe, and repeat, is called React Loop. It was introduced in a research paper in 2022, and now it is the foundation of almost every agentic system in production. Here is the concrete example. You ask a chatbot, what is 15% of 2340? It might get it right, or it might hallucinate. LLMs are notoriously bad at arithmetic when they try to do it in their heads. You ask an agent the same thing. It calls a calculator tool, get back the exact number, and gives you the correct answer every time. That's the power of agents. They don't just reply, they act. Three things make up every agent. First, the LLM, which is the brain. It decides what to do. Second, the tools, which is known as the hands. It can call these to interact with the world. And third is the state, which is known as the memory. It keeps track of everything that happened so far. Today, we are using LangGraph to wear all of this together as a graph where nodes are action and edges decide where to go next. Let me walk through the tech stack we are using today. Why I chose these specific tools. First, the Qwen 2.57 billion model, which is made by China, Alibaba Cloud. This is one of the best open source 7 billion parameter models available right now. It's particularly strong at tool use, structured reasoning, and following instruction precisely. Most importantly, it fits perfectly in the T4's 16 GB of VRAM. When I tested other popular models, some refused tools tool can calls or gave me inconsistent outputs. Qwen 2.5 is reliable for agentic work. Second is Ollama. This is the runtime that downloads and serves the Qwen model. Think of it as a local API server of LLMs. You install it, pull a model, and it starts serving at localhost 11434. LangChain connects to it exactly like it would connect to OpenAI. Same interface, but at completely zero cost. The third is LangChain, the connective tissue. It standardizes how you define tools, how you format prompts, how you pass messages between components. Without LangChain, you would be writing a lot of boilerplate. LangGraph. LangChain's graph framework for stateful agents. You define your agent as a graph of nodes and edges. LangGraph handles the loop, the state, and the routing for you. It is production grade and used by real companies. Google Colab T4, which is completely free. It consists of 16 GB of VRAM, available to anyone with a Google account, perfect for running a 7 billion model. Together, this tech costs you nothing, installs in minutes, and produces a genuinely capable agent. So, our next video, we will open the notebook and look at real codes and run our first agent. Thank you so much.